My name is Joseph Meyer. I am a new candidate for the Board of Directors of Viroqua Food Co-op. Although we are relatively new full-time residents in the area, I've been a shopper at the co-op for over 20 years, and I've recently retired after working here for a year, where I got to know the farmers and the producers. I'm bringing my 45 years of retail management experience and retail consulting experience to the Board of Directors, where I hope to help steward the board with growth for the co-op in a manageable, sustainable, and mission-driven manner that supports the producers, the farmers, and the owners. Thank you.